Hello students, welcome to the EVS2 session. Now you all open your textbook to page number 21. Our today's topic is the Oath of Swaraj. Oath means promise. Our today's first topic is the temple at Raireshwar. So let us start. Children, here in the picture you can see the temple of Raireshwar. It is to the southwest of Pune. It is a very beautiful spot. Now in the year 1645, an extraordinary event took place there. Now what was that event? Let us see. Shivaji and a few Mavlas from the neighboring valley had gathered there. Why had they come to this lovely spot hidden in deep forest? What was the reason behind it? What did they discuss and what favor did they ask of Lord Shiva? So let us see all this question. The fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Fiery here means bright, intelligent. Eloquence means fluent speaking. Now let us see what all was going in Shivaji's mind. What all did he discuss with his friends? Shivaji was quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. He opened his mind to his playmates, that is to his friends, and said, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time. My father Shahaji Raje is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur." Now children, we all know this, that his father was working under the Mughals. "It is he who has given me the charge of this Jahangir." Who said all this? Shivaji is telling all this to his friends. Everything is going on well and peacefully. But friends, I am not happy. But still Shivaji Maharaj was not happy with all the things. Why? Must we always remain satisfied as bondmen of the Sultan? Bondman means a male slave. So Shivaji Maharaj was telling that, are we going to live under the rule of the sultans forever? He was asking all these questions to his friends. Must we always eat out of others' hand? We are surrounded on all sides by foreign kingdoms which are constantly at war. Our people get killed for nothing during these wars and family after family gets uprooted. Uprooted means, children, you all know that when the fight was going on amongst the Mughals, who was killed there? Yes, the poor people, those who were living in the villages. They were killed there. Unnecessarily they were killed. Was there any mistake of them? No, but still because they were living there, they were killed. So Shivaji Maharaj was discussing all this with his friends. Then he continued, "Our country suffers destruction. And what do we get out of all these? Nothing but slavery. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of a small watan? What have you to say about all these?" So all this question was asked by Shivaji Maharaj to his friends. So children, Shivaji Maharaj was speaking with great emotion and his face was red with anger. In the middle of his speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. Companions means his friends. The young Mavlas gathered there in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. Now all these friends, that is Shivaji Maharaj's friend, they were listening to Shivaji Maharaj with great attention. They had seen a new vision. One of them said, "Ah, young prince, tell us clearly what is in your mind. We are prepared. We are anxious to do your bidding." Anxious means feeling worry and bidding means boli adesh, means the Mavla said, "Whatever you say, we are going to obey your orders." All this was said by the Mavlas to Shivaji Maharaj. Then all the Mavlas, they said, "Yes, Raje." They all said with one voice, "We are with you. We shall do whatever you say at the cost of our lives, if need be. So all the people, all the friends of Shivaji Maharaj, when they listened what all was going in Shivaji's mind, they said, we are ready to lay down our lives for the Swaraj. Whatever you say, we are going to obey your orders. The oath of Swaraj. Now children, after listening to Shivaji Maharaj's word, his friends, that is the Mavlas, and Shivaji Maharaj, they are going to take some oath. That is, they are going to take some promise. Shivaji got fresh inspiration from their words, that is from the words of his friends, the Mavlas, because they were also ready to give up their life for Swaraj. Looking at each one of them, he said, friends, our path is clear. We shall all strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindvi Swaraj. Now children, we know this, that Shivaji Maharaj was planning to have an independent state, that is free from the Mughals. We will have our own Raj, yours and mine and everybody's. We refuse to live as slaves anymore. Let us take this oath with Lord Raireshwar as witness. So children, if you remember, at the starting of the lesson, we have seen this temple, that is Raireshwar temple, which was deep in the forest, and this was the reason why Shivaji Maharaj and his friends, they have gathered in this temple in the deep forest. So now all of them, they are taking the oath. They said, we give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj, that is Swaraj. Now children, they all were shouting with one voice. So the temple echoed. Echoed means gunjna, the words of Shivaji. What were the words? God thinks that this kingdom should take shape as Hindvi Swaraj. We shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. So the Mavlas left the temple committed to the oath of freedom of Swaraj. The mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal to see his mother. He described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. So whatever they did in the temple, that is Shivaji and his friends, whatever happened, all Shivaji Maharaj said to his mother. Now Jijabai, she was overjoyed because Jijabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish means pura karna, what was always in her mind. Children, you'll remember when Shivaji Maharaj was very small, his mother, that is Jijabai, was always thinking that Shivaji should no longer be working under the Mughals. He should do something for the people, that is for his own people, and he should establish a new kingdom. So after listening whatever happened in the Raireshwar temple, Jijabai was very happy with Shivaji Maharaj.